All right, let's take a look at 130 pieces DIY charm bracelets making kit. Now this one includes a lot of jewelry in here, plenty of chains for your friends and yourself. Also including a neck chain to create your unique charm brace and your necklace too. Now including here very small unique little charms with different characters. You'll have plenty of fun for with you and your friends for many hours. So let's take a look at it and give it to some kids so they could create their own charms. It's ready, so.
Me too for like a good 10 minutes. Wait a minute. That comes off easy.
What are you doing? What kind of bracelet are you doing?
I made like.
Oh, that's a beautiful charm bracelet.
At the end.
Raise your hand if you
Let
have
me
the
see your
monkey.
bracelet. Let me see your
Where's the
bracelet.
monkey?
Oh, beautiful charm bracelet. Look at this one. Oh my God, you have a unicorn? Your question, what are you adding to yours?
So I'm adding a bunch of never give up wings, a horse with wings, and some colorful beads.
It's Athena, what are you doing on yours?
So on mine, I have a little star, a little pink bow on here, some black beads, a cross, stars, a skull, another star, and a little pink moon, and more black beads.
Oh, that's nice.